Welcome to the Android coding tutorial. Here I'm start a new series of Android. In this video, I'm making a app which is image picker. Requirement is only Android Studio for making a Android app. So open your browser and click to Android Studio tutorial. Studio download and click to the first link and click to the end. Download Android Studio and check the condition and click to download Android Studio. I have already downloaded Android Studio in my device. So if you don't, if you use Windows, then system required for Windows is this read here, and also Mac system requirement is this, and Linux system requirement is this. I'm not wasting time. Jump to my project which is doing this. Create a new button, new project, and choose empty activity, and here rename your name of Android project. Let's do image picker, and I'm using language Kotlin, and here it is Android 10. This, and click to finish. Custom app is ready. Go to activity.main.xml and delete this text here. Drag image view in this section. Click to avatar. Basically, in this, I'm using a constant layout. Here, width is 0 dp and height is 200 dp, and scale type is fit center. Type fit center. Another element button, name of button is pick image, and id is button picker, and I have given id to this image view image. But set our UI is ready. Then move to main.activity.xml, main.activity.kd. Let init var and image view.image. Let init var is a button pig, name is pig, button pig. It uses button. Here assign this button and image is id, and bind this id. Button picked it equal to find view id. Id is r dot id. Id is button picker, and image view equal to find view id r dot id dot image set. Here on set click listener on this button. Button picked set on click listener. I am using a basically intent, for which intent is working. Pick image from the your device and set to your image view, and intent is basically used for navigate to the one activity to another activity from intent easily. So here I'm using a method intent dot pick. So let's initialize intent value. Intent image equal to intent import intent. Click to this and click press alt plus enter. Intent dot action dot pick intent image dot type. Here is giving this type document, and this type document image you pick from your device. So simply image slash jpg or maybe png, but I am all type image like png jpg, so use here star. It's simply image which is type whatever, not matter which type is your image extension .png. If and intent image and start activity for result. Here is two things is giving, one intent and another is request code. So intent is image intent intent image, and another is request code. Request code is our one. Here override a method on activity result. On activity result, in this method simply apply a condition if request, yeah, if result code equal to result okay, and request code equal to 1, then body of if image view dot set image URI data dot data. Here basically this line is giving a null system, so click to this and add non-null asserted. Here our app code is complete, then click to run. Now click to pick run, click this image. Okay. Here is your image set in your image here. So thank you for watching this.